The What Works Clearinghouse is providing reading interventions for students in grades 4 through 9 practice guide, provides evidence-based recommendations for supporting students' reading and writing development in intervention settings. In this video, watch as I provide middle school students with a wide variety of activities to practice reading multisyllabic words, including reading words in isolation and in connected text. This practice is part of Recommendation 1, build students' decoding skills so they can read complex multisyllabic words. Throughout the video, notice as I support students' use of the multisyllabic decoding routine taught previously, provide word lists to students with practice opportunities to decode multisyllabic words, provide longer, age-appropriate, connected text to students with practice opportunities to decode multisyllabic words, and provide feedback that is affirmative or corrective based on their use of the routine. Students should have opportunities to practice applying the decoding routine and plenty of practice reading multisyllabic words individually and in longer stretches of text. When students have multiple opportunities to decode across a wide range of activities, they build automaticity and struggle less. This small group will read a multisyllabic word list out loud. The word list I've created includes words with the vowel and consonant letter sounds or combinations from today's lesson, as well as previously taught letter sounds or combinations. Okay, we have been using this decoding routine to figure out complicated, complex multisyllabic words, and we're going to get to start to do that with some words that are going to show up in your science lessons a lot. We're going to warm up with a word list first. So get started with your word list. When you get it, you can read to yourself, and I'm going to be listening in to see how that decoding routine is working for you, where you're using it, and give you some support. All right, go ahead.
Can you help me with this one?
Sure, okay. What did you find?
The prefix dis and the suffix ate.
Yep, and then you underline the remaining vowel sound, right? Let's do it syllable by syllable, that's step 3. Now that students have warmed up using individual words, we will work with longer stretches of text. This helps them be flexible across a variety of sentence structures and genres, as well as building towards automaticity. Okay, so we've warmed up with these individual word lists. What we're going to do right now is we're going to dig into some longer text. This is going to be a text that has some short sentences and long sentences, and there'll be a lot of words that you can read really automatically, like lightning. Those are the words that you don't need to slow down and use your decoding routine for, right? There will be some words that might benefit from using that decoding routine. So your job is, as you read, to notice when you need to use that decoding routine, and otherwise you're just reading to learn about different types of clouds. All right, what have you found here? I see you using the decoding routine, keep going.
8.
Okay, you found all the syllables, now put them together.
Precipitation.
You know that from your science class, right? That single syllable, the I right there. You see, we're really paying attention to that. Nice work. All right, let's come back together. We're going to read this with a paragraph now. And this one's actually from the National Weather Service and teaches us about how to use cloud charts and how they use cloud charts to tell what kind of weather is coming. So go ahead and open up to page 9 of 25. And we're going to do the same thing. You're going to read to yourself, find opportunities to read use the decoding routine, but also think about what you're learning about using cloud charts. Sound good? All right, let's get started. Now I can loop under each part, right? Why don't you do it with me?
Fear, ick, atmosphere. Atmosphere.
That means relating to the atmosphere. Keep reading about that.
Okay.
Huh?
Atmosphere.